Alright guys, here's my 99 Burb. This is my toy. Let me show you my little air horn install. It's hornblasters. They're PVC horns. You can see that they're on the outside of the frame rails. Right? And then I got a little heat shield right here because my exhaust is right there. So the fittings poke through the opposite side. Another heat shield here. The fittings poke through the opposite side of the frame rail, and then I have the hoses come through. I have a little protector over here for my Viair 480C pump. I have a 7-gallon aluminum air tank. I have my controller, my pressure switch, little drain valve here. I drained it yesterday. This is my solenoid. It's like got a 1/2 inch in. Let's see if I get you 1/2 inch in and 4/4 inches out. 12 volt DC. This came from Hornblasters 2. Only issue with this, maybe I should mount it higher, maybe up in the cab or something, or in the engine bay. If you have a lot of moisture in your system, this thing freezes and it takes a long time to thaw. But other than that, I have no complaints. This thing's nice. You gotta have a safety on your tank. This one's a 200 PSI system. So here's my other frame rail, right? And I got 2 horns back here too. Got one directly above the rear axle. I got a 4-inch lift block in there, so it's really not gonna make contact. Then I got one all the way up there. And they sound pretty good. I'm not gonna hit the horn for you. There's no need to make you go deaf. But I gotta clean up some wiring issues here. Ran out of zip ties last time I was up there. But yeah, that's my air horn install. I got a 30 amp fuse coming off the battery, feeding all of this. And then the only thing is this is connected to the horn button on the steering wheel. But yeah, it's nice. People get out of your way. And that's it, guys. All right. Have a good one.